Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Toast for restaurant insurance subscription planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin with, visit the Toast website. Sign in to your Toast account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section in the main menu. Here, you will find various options for restaurant insurance. Select the type of insurance that suits your needs best. Review the detailed descriptions and coverage options for each type. Next, click on the Get Started button for your selected insurance option. You will be prompted to fill out a brief questionnaire about your restaurant. Provide accurate information regarding your establishment's size, type of cuisine, and location. After completing the questionnaire, review your answers for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. The system will generate a tailored insurance plan based on your inputs. Take your time to review the plan details carefully. Pay attention to coverage limits and premiums associated with each option. If you have questions, consult the provided FAQs or reach out to customer support. When you're satisfied with your chosen plan, click Select Plan. You will then be directed to the Payment section. Enter your payment details securely in the designated fields. Review the payment information to ensure everything is correct. Click on Submit Payment to finalize your insurance subscription. You will receive a confirmation email with your policy details shortly after. Keep this email for your records and refer back to it if needed. Review your coverage periodically to ensure it meets your business needs as you grow. Remember, you can access your insurance details anytime through your Toast account. This will allow you to make any necessary changes or updates as needed. That concludes the complete guide to subscribing for restaurant insurance with Toast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.